Hello everyone, welcome back to another week of the Sling TSI build update. So this week has been a light week for me, so I didn't actually finish the fuel tank as I was hoping to. I ran into some small hiccup. I forgot that if I talked about this last week, but I finished the fuel tank 2 weeks ago, but I was unable to do the fuel leak test because I ran into this small thing here where the fuel return fitting, this is a dash 6AN fitting, it doesn't take the connector well. The thread doesn't really go in smoothly. So, it kind of shakes like this. And by comparison, this is what the normal 6AN fitting should look like. So I asked the Sling technical, and they told me to either sort of rethread this or change to a new one. So I'm waiting for my order from Amazon to get a new thread chaser and try to rethread it. But if it doesn't work, I'll probably just switch to a regular AN6 fitting. So that's the update from the fuel tank side. I'm kind of stuck on waiting for some parts to get this finished. And in the meantime, I try to do as much as I can on the remaining of the right wing. So as you can see, I got the landing light lens on. Oh man, this is a project. So I think I was originally planning to use the standard self-tapping screw to secure this lens, but that really didn't work because the holes just do not line up. So I had to enlarge many of these holes, and that made the self-tapping screws impossible. So I just took one step further and replaced all of them with reef nuts, and then just used the flathead M3 screws to install the lens. And then I got to install the wingtip. So I was so the kit was supposed to come with the revision 3 wingtip, but mine wingtips were back ordered. So I emailed the Sling parts department. They didn't have revision 3, so but they said revision 2 should also work. So I actually got a pair of revision 2 wingtip, and yeah, as they said, it actually worked perfectly. So installing the wingtip was actually not as eventful as I was anticipating. So kind of just put this on and use a strapping ratchet to kind of secure the wingtip and push it forward as forward as possible. But as you can see here, I still have maybe like 1/8 or 16th or 1/8 of a gap on the leading edge. I'm not too worried. I think I will probably just fill this up using some body filler. So then, yeah, once it's in place, I kind of just drill the holes and install them, and also installed the nav light, and also test it with a 12-volt battery. So both worked. And next is I was with the wingtip in place. I was finally able to hand the aileron and the flap, and I followed the instruction from the build book. Basically, I had to install the center rivets first, then skip two, install the two on the side, then skip another two or three and install the two on both sides, and so on and so forth, to make sure the aluminum stretches evenly, and the also use the sort of a cotton string here to make sure the entire trailing edge aligns perfectly straight. So at the end of the day, they do align very well. So here you can see this is the wing tip and goes to the aileron. Then I'm using a tape to put to just hold them temporarily. Then goes to the flap and to the root side of the wing. So That worked out really well. So I gained a little bit more confidence to actually being able to finish the wing. Yeah. So that's for this week, and hopefully next week I'll get my thread chaser, and the thread chaser actually works, so I don't have to reopen at least part of the fuel tank. I'm really dreading on that. But hopefully that works, and I will be able to continue my build and actually finish the right wing and get to the left side. All right, see you next time, guys.